Me, I've been in my I choose me era, I think for like my whole life. I am pouring so much into other people. Na ye ranga, I don't forget about me. Ha. So today, I want to talk to you inbox. So you talk to me maybe later, or you can send me a message and I'll find it. Because honestly, there is no way I can read inbox right now. My skin is skinny. Yeah, I use my cosmetics. Just my face has some few spots because of periods and life. My life is all cool, but next is go. If you want to know about my skincare package, come in my inbox. Hi Mama, so hi Agnes. We miss you in Dubai. I'll come soon. I'll come soon. I think I need to stop eating. So, today I want you to attend a Hallelujah challenge. When I can talk about the stories of Hallelujah challenge. The first challenge, I'm someone who attends Hallelujah challenge. The first challenge, nagamba sijja kuva ku buliri. Ngenda kusabira ku buliri. Nensoka nentula nga bitandise. Nenteekako TV. Ne basaba yaawo. Nengamba kansimagiremu awo nga Pastor Anthony yakyayogere. Kansimagiremu nja kuyimuka nga nja kutuula nga bazine. Omanyi nazuuka ba blowing a trumpet. Oh, the devil is a liar. Nazukuka nga ba blowing a trumpet. I remember olunaku baka blowing. Is it 8 times? Nazuka baka blowing banange nempulira bubi. I don't know. Waloka guilt kowulira banange. Omanyi banange, this generation is a very good one. Omanyi twagala Katonda. Nembabulira ko twakula ne bazadde baffe nga tebafaayo Katonda. Anyway, bazadde ba generation yaffe, fe ba 90s baby. Our parents were very biased, very stressed. Era bakulira mu family nga bazadde bammwe basanyufu. Mwesiimi. Twakulanga mama tayagala ne taata. Bwe boogera waliwo obusungu. Obanange. Banange n'otuuka n'ogamba ng'oyimirira mu maka n'ogamba ki ekiri wano. Banange ba 90s baby twalaba ebintu. Twakula mu family nga tata wamuwakomawo buli omu ne yeesobbika ekisenge ne weesobbika obuliri. You guys, we grow up okukula banaye tebyali byangu. Kyova olaba banange depression nyingi, abaana bali so depressed. People are very scared to open up. People are how can I say it? They're not outspoken. Abantu bali awo bona oli muntu abeerawo nga yakula n'obusungu ku mutima. Yakula banange n'omuntu nuya n'omugamba okiki, is everything okay at home? Twakula bubi. Bazadde baffe nga okusaba tebafaayo. Nga tebatuulako awo ne boogera nammwe about anything. Mukimanyi bazadde baffe tebaatubuulirira natubuulirira. Twalimu ebintu nga tubiyigira ku ssomero. Omuzadde kati nze, my daughter is 10 years. Njagala kutuula naye this holiday mubuuze about periods. I don't know if it's simanyi oba banyanguye. Naye njagala mubuuza. I want to teach her how to put a pad on the knicker. I want to ask her about periods. Oba bimanyi kwa kati she's in, she's in P4. Yeah, she's in P4. Kubanga COVID bamuzeeko 1 class. She's supposed to be in P5. Njagala mubuuza oba yalabi oba tanazigendamu era genda ku holiday genda tuuka mubuuze, have you seen blood in your knicker? Waba tanaba mugambe, have you seen your fellow pupils? Bali babayita ba pupils kwa sisi student. about your friends have periods. Do you know what a pad looks like? Mulage bagiteka kunika. Mugambe no mugamba. In case when you go in your periods, you don't have to cry about it. You don't have to feel bad about it because every woman goes through that period. That is, that defines a woman. Every woman has to go into periods. Omani, it's too early. Omani the problem right in Jagala Mugamba. Kubanga, asobolo zigenda mujukira ali mutisulu. Asobolo zigenda munga ali kusomero ngatali nange. Okitegeera. Chinsuza ntunula, like I'm always overthinking about it. Ngangamba sagala mwana wange anti sagala zigendemu omanyi abaana bamu bazigenda mu mangu kati sagala mwana azigendemu nga tali nange kubanga I don't know how she will receive it. Osegeera simanyi muntu gwanayogera naye nga yakalaba omusaayi asobola okuzigendamu mikwano gye mukwano gwe oba nagambako friend we mukati ne friend we naye nga ali ignorant about it, and then she will end up depressed and feeling small. So njagala mugambe nga bukyali, I'm planning this holiday nga yakadda mugambe mbe mulage so that anytime mugambe when you see blood in your nika, it means now it's time for your periods. This is a pad mulage bagiteekako ne mugamba wozigenda, you don't have to get scared. Wozigenda just go to your teacher because she has a close teacher at school. You don't have to get scared. Just go to your teacher and tell her, teacher, I've gone into my periods. What do I do? And then she will guide you. Ne omanyo mwana okugenda periods zinga toli naye. Kibi bambi. Ne kati fe twakula wala bikugamba obigireyo ku ssomero sijjuke manzi nabiyiga nantakwa nali mbera wa jjajja sisa njejja yange yali abimwamba ebyo kati ekyo kyenjagala okumugamba. So parents, let's talk to kids. Let's be open-minded parents. Chocho. Let us be open-minded. Let us talk to our kids about anything. Kati omwana otandika okugera naye about such things tasobola kutya. Oli ne wamukwata ku bed, she will tell you. If now she will know mommy is open-minded, we can talk. We actually open-minded, but such sensitive things. Mwana so zigenda mnatya n'okugamba mama we. Naye kasita obeera nga mwakyogerako abeera kati awo nga she's very free with you. Talk to her about it because my mom did the same, and when I started I was with my step, but I knew okitegedde omanyi okweteekateeka. That's like prepping. Like at mana 10 years. Sometimes I get worried. My daughter is growing. I sit there. Last time I was sitting there, I'm like, oh my God, now how will her first boyfriend be? It's alright. My baby is 10 years, guys. I want to cry. I start counting days. I'm like, now she's going to be 15 in 5 years. Oh, I pray to God I'm alive. When you're growing, mwana, you start thinking, enkoko yange yidde kansoke ngende ngikyuse. Okay. Can I go? Yeah, so I do. I love you. I love everyone. We must start story time. Lero tutulina nnyo story time. Lero tuzze kuyiga. So today, tugenda kuyiga about choosing yourself. Lero nawandise n'okuwandiika. A lot of people, nga nange mwendira oba kati nze mweyo period navaayoko. I think I am in a better place now. Abantu bangi, we don't know how to say no. And today, we are njaga twogere about standing up for yourself. Abantu bangi obeera n'emikwano gyo. Let's talk about friendship first. Sometimes you find yourself you're doing things you don't want to do, but just because you have them and you don't want them to be hurt. Omuntu ngamba tukose Luganda kali abantu banjo obera ne mikwano jo nga sometimes they hurt you how they speak to you oba favors zebakugamba obakolere oba even relationships nga abantu banjo oli mu relationship nenga you cannot say no nga toyina bwogerero okuba no bwogerero toyina bwogerero tosobola kuteesa kyekyo bakiyita tosobola kuteesa obera oli mu relationship omusajja yasalawo kyemulya yasalawo ejjiiko za sukali meka z'oteeka mu kikopo yasalawo omugaati abantu bangi bali awo nga tebalina bwogerero. They cannot stand for themselves. They don't choose them. Like omuntu nabeerawo nga tolina bwogerero naye nga wona tugambye I'm in this situation naye nga you have that fear in you ng'omusajja wona ayogerako nga munange ate munange taata waabwe tagambwako munange ate munange tagambwako kwegamba nobeera mu situation ng'oli mu kunyigirizibwa naye nga just ekikulimu kimu you cannot stand up for yourself. Tosobola. Abantu bangi bali mu friendships. I remember I was in one friendship. Now let me talk about friendships. When I'm a friend, I pour into people. To be honest, just get maybe nachukamu. I chose myself. But if I like people, I'll pour into you till my last drop. Till my last drop, I'll pour into you. I'll support you. I'll cheer for you. I'll love you endlessly. I remember I was in a friendship and then someone could say something to you. Anyhow, we have to mind what people say to us. Also, kubanga oli mu situation tugeze in a relationship so baddemu ne breaking up. Nenga mukwano gwa so chireta every time something relationship za kulema gwe kino gwe basajja bakulema gwe basajja bakukyawa gwe basajja okitegeera nobera mu friendship nga people you're important, you're genuine to people, but people are please don't mention names. Ati mpozi ngena jivaako. Don't mention people. Temwambaza abantu bugatto. Okitegeera ng'omuntu amala gwogera something, they don't care if it hurts you. Amala gakugamba ekintu, okitegeera. Nokera kumacha n'ogamba no. So that is choosing yourself. You wake up and you're like, no, I cannot be here. We cannot be friends anymore. Bye. You gotta go. You gotta go. Am I right now? You gotta go. You gotta go. You're in a relationship. You don't go out with your friends. Ogende wa mwamala kukiriza. Newo tuke wa mwakuba yesimu to confirm obo ogenzeeyo. Okola ke ekintu. Omala kumusaba. Kwegamba nobeeraawo. Naye mami heartbreak enzita. Oh my God, sorry. I know. These men are very bad people, but we will win. Who knows what she was called? People, don't. Osegera. Nobeera ng'olyawo. Nga, you don't choose yourself. First, drop a heart if you're in your I choose myself era. So today we need to stop pouring into people. We need to stand up and choose ourselves. How do we choose ourselves? Learn to speak up. Banange, oba family. Wobo ina muganda. Nga akulirako obukeji. Kera kumacha omugambe. I am not happy. I don't like the way you talk to me. Actually, friendships, family, how do you choose yourself? Kera kumacha ogamba omuntu, I don't like how you talk to me. Kitegeera. Lekerawo omuntu nabeerawo mulimu abantu bobeera nga bulisawa asaagirira ebintu byasaagirira tobyagala. Asaagirira buli wayogana akuyisaamu amaaso n'osirika munaye tunaakola ki. ate nti mukulu wange mukulu wo n'akujolonga n'akumanyira munaye n'obigumira kubanga mukulu wo. No, choose yourself. Wake up and tell them, I don't like how you talk to me. You either change or don't talk to me at all. On Monday, I think let's give it like 5 minutes. Choose how you have to stand up to people. Bagambe, I don't like how you talk to me. Nemo relationships. Tell men, baby, I don't like how you talk to me. They mostly and you're raising your voice. The first thing I'll tell you is, why are you raising your voice? Why are you loud? Why? That's the healed me. Sorry, prima eyaringa omanyi. Oli prima wedanga. You go louder, I go louder. Ha! Omanyi ebintu webirekaana ennyo bikakana biwawadde. Bikakana biwawadde. So right now, if someone is talking to me and they are loud, the first thing I'll say is, why are you loud? I notice tone change. Me and tone change. Even if someone is my friend, you're talking to me, because the moment you change your tone, I'm like, why did you change your tone? Why are you speaking to me in that tone? I am not here to fight. I'm not fighting. Naye mwe mwali mufunyeko boyfriend nga ayambala knickers nadduka emisinde no. So today to a soccer, I always speak my mind, but now it's not good being one-sided. Yes, that is choosing yourself. Toyina kubeera awo omuliro teguzikiza muliro kituufu. Toyina kubeera awo ng'oli mu relationship is very one-sided. By the way, let us avoid one-sided friendships. Nga gwapo waringa onobera ne mukwano gwo yegwamuwa yegwe kino kati nga gwe mu friendship you contribute like nga 90% nga yakwayo katu. That's being one-sided. Avoid our Irish. Avoid when I'm going to go for it. Avoid. I know a girl and I'm a victim. Even relationships. Atabananga relationship eri one-sided ng'emenyi. Omusajja yateesa. Omusajja ye igwe wasobya. Tebamugambako. Naye igwe wosobya. Lutalo. Banange kale relationship eziri one-sided tozinyongera. Maminzi. Ekyokubiri, setting boundaries. That's learning to say no. Learning, it's like speaking up, Chechim. Learning to say no. When something is, you're not comfortable in a situation, tell people no. Me, I say no. I wake up, if I'm not happy, I'll say no. By the way, I'm someone in a relationship. If I'm not happy, I remember I was dating a guy. So this guy, twali okay, twayagala. Kasparka ne kazikira. Era namugamba, baby, I don't feel the spark anymore. What do we do? I don't feel it. Even if you touch me, I don't get horny. What should we do about it? What should we do about it? You learn to speak out. I speak. Sipulimba. Ochimayo bera n'omusajja. Nakomawe waka. Ate abakazi bangi mukirimu. Muri mu relationship nga bao ne wakwatako. Tocha getting our deneka weight. Omaya musajja kukwatako nga wamukowa. Oba ulira amagalo, oba ulinyanga. Wananga bakigeze kuki. Bananga omusajja abawunya n'akamwa ne oba omwagala abawulira nga awunya n'olusu bananga omuntu nga wamukoowa nga you're not happy anti nonongolo ogumye munanga ate onaddawa nakijoba waabwe oba prima waabwe, let me say my name, ng'oli omunanga ate prima waabwe onaddawa omuntu nga wamukoowa nogaa naye sina kyakola kangume bannange omusajja nga wamukoowa ate omusajja oba wamukoowa aba ayagala sex okufa obufi nga wamukoowa. Nayingira bwati ng'owulira nga olinyanga ki rape victim, ng'owulira nga buli kimu, ng'owulira nga ne waakusizaamu oyagala kubulawo bubuzi. Abawala situation eyo mugimanyi? Do you know that? But what can we do? Talk about it. Speak up. Speak up. Speak up. Mubeera mu buliri. Kubanga omusajja osooka kati omusajja abantu abamu nga you don't get time to talk to your men. But eyo moment, omanyi moment eyo ng'omusajja asonze bw'ati, ye moment ennungi kati mostly abantu nga you don't have communication in your relationships. Omusajja mukwatirawo ng'ayagala ki? Ng'ayagala nsujju. Gambe we need to talk about it. At least ensujju akube messe nga woyogera by'oyagala. Awaba awulira mukwano. Awo omusajja nga ali mu nsujju, awo abeera awulira buli kyoyogera. So if you don't have a good communication at your home, use that. Kozesa ensujju yo ekusaving. Waliwo omuwala yansirika message nangamba mami, because some girls call me mami. Mommy, I'm in a relationship. A guy does not give me anything. He does not pay my rent. He does not give me money. He does not support me mentally, emotionally. I'm like, and you're still opening your legs. What are you waiting for to go? Or what are you waiting for to talk about it? I want you girls to learn how to speak up. Today we are learning how to speak up. Most relationship, friendships si nnyo naye relationships. Abantu mubeera mu relationship, nga you guys don't talk. Omusajja najje waka emmese nga go okanya kuteekawo ogenda teekawo paka ddi mukwano, ogenda teekawo paka ddi. Irish, let's thank you for reminding me. Okay. Nano mubadde batuufu wembiseeko ne bitokota. Kati kamalo kanteekemu muli eri mu nkoko. Then we can go ahead. Oh yeah. Nino sina appetite leero. But nfumbye just in case. Omanyi ennaku zino nebakaleti. Nina okulaba Hallelujah challenge. Kati otuuka eyo sawa nga zigenze enjala ekuluma kufa. So what I do, yep, bugozo no bone. Put some butter here. It looks good. So now we're running the milk butter. Hey, now they're gonna put some more them spices. Yeah, it's in a pot. And you go very good. I like that guy, guys. Fino. I like his music. Yep. Kati nsaba gendako mu short ko 1 minute. Kamobera okazi. Wobo ochanyirirako n'obikimanya nti I have to be submissive. B. Naye mulimu olina omanyi obwasavu omanyi bana abakazi abaakula edda. Edda tolabanga ba auntie baffe, you know those aunties ababeeranga si bafumbo nga mukazi mukulu akaddiye singa wamwe mulaba si mufumbo abamu okitege n'abeeraawo nga ye nga ne sente aziina travelinga. Naye kankubulireko, if you're not submissive, you end up single. No man is going to live with a woman in a house nga mwembi muina masculine energy. Ekyo kyo nze wama sijja kubawabya. aina amatu awulire. No man, I swear, in this life, tewali musajja agenda kubeera na mukazi mu nnyumba nga mwena muliwe muti kati soko mboliremu. Kati because if you're not submissive, you cannot cook for a nigger, you cannot wash, you cannot be a woman at home. Kitegeeza ogenda kera kumacho ogenda okola okomewo n'omwami akomewo kati amasomo geesimbe. Oyende akugambe togenda wano ogende. Kitegeeza you guys are going to repel. Network. Kati nawe ogenda kuddamu ofumbirwe mama so. Me, I'm a believer, though I am not on pressure, though it's not something I'm looking at. Never gambi obufumbo bujja effortlessly. You don't have to say njagala fumbirwa oba ngenda kuddamu nfumbirwe. Obufumbo bukusanga tomanyi. A right relationship comes and you don't know, and someone wants to be with you for the rest of their life. Your focus is not supposed to be bufumbo. Kitwachogeddeko. Walokokera nalokera Pastor Bugembe. Pastor Bugembe is my spiritual father. Rakuba sometimes I go to Mutunde to pray. Twetwogera ku bufumbo. Omwana omuwala wona abeeraawo nga gwe obwongo bo ekigambo bufumbo kubanga obwongo bubeera webuti buba line zibawezi. Vince can blocking. Please don't distract me. If you're not willing to be nice, please don't comment. Bane kugamba wobeera omwana omuwala ng'obufumbo is something you look at, is something kyekisinga okujja ku plate yo. Kitegeeza obeera ogenda kutomera. You're going to settle for less because gwe oyagala kimu kufumbirwa. But if you let it flow, okitegeera, let it flow. Date, enjoy, be in your feminine energy, be soft spoken, be a girl, love yourself, focus on yourself. Okitegeera, let everything be self-centered. Okimanyi goli oweeba bufumbo oba desperate. Oba bw'otya amaaso gakuli gati omusajja baya akufuna wenaina noyoza bulangiti wenaina n'okola we ebintu ebiraga omuntu nti osobola ofumbirwa omusajja ogenda okulaba nga every time you're desperate a man pulls back. Okitegeera ogenze ku first date ofumbye kyekikufumbya ku first date. First date erina kubeera mu restaurant. First date kyekikufumbya kyekikutwala ew'omusajja. I'm speaking kamabulireko. Let me speak out of experience. Kati waliwo nabeererako when you're desperate for a relationship, oh my God, there must stand yasumbuwa before you really find yourself nga ngenda ku date. Tetwagenda nyina ku date, twagendako awo manange waita wiki emugga yampise uwenze kulaba ku mashankedde fumba breakfast ne spicinga chai. I'm like, recently nabirozaako ne ngamba okitegeera, a man has to take you to like 5 dates. 5 dates nga tonana nakugenda wuwe, like 5 dates mubeera kweno date nga alina okuba nga apulaninga endala gye mugendako. Ne mubeera kweno date nga apulaninga endala gye mugendako. And then what's the conversation you guys are going to have on the date? It also matters. Kubanga gali wakutwala ku date womanye empisa ze. Papa sita bakazi fe date tujigendako to observe and see this kind of person. Is he soft spoken? Mulimu abasajja bamunga first day omanye empisa ze. First day omanye empisa ze. Akambwalira bweyita, ali arrogant how he speaks to you, how he handles you, byayambadde. Naye osanga omwana ow'obuwala omusajja yamukwanako tagenda ku date. Okimanyi mulimu abantu abamu nga tagenda na ku date nga tagendanga na ku date n'abeerawo n'akula omukazi n'aweza 30 years naye nga bamulya ensujju nga ye beeroboza naye ng'omutagenda tayambalangaho outfit zikatika mbabuleko weba ngenda ku date n'omusajja so ka outfit muzigo oyo week number nsobola okuba nga okugulu nkusiiga oyiro okufa enviiri nzikoze mwanda bawo waliwo we nali ku date awo mukagoye ka black akuba kale dates ezimu tosa postinga naye oba olina date kyekintu kyeweetegekera si buno tugendeko wali ku gundi ne muweta wali eri ka restaurant nedda. Someone has to take you on a proper date. They've reserved a table where you people are going to sit. And then okubuuza, are you comfortable with this place? Are you comfortable? So guys, learn how to speak up. Ate kino omusajja amanya byoyagala ne value ng'obimugambye first time wakukwana ostegedde nga yakakukwana tandise okwogera naawe, then that's when you talk to them. Okay, where are we going to have our first date? Omusajja omuwala asaba first date. Omusajja wamanya nti now this one I have to take it slow. Sigomane obeerawo. You have to look good, smell good, prep what you're going to talk on a date. Ogende buuza ChatGPT. Jigambe, I'm going on a first date. What are the questions I ask a man on a first date? Make sure you enjoy it, but it's worth it. Today speaking for yourself. So try to gamba people in relationships, but they don't talk. No laba abantu nga bali awo. Tugenda ku inviting sawa satu ziweze. Today, first of all, I want to invite Scovy. Simaba alikwali. Scovy woba ko you can request. Then nabalaba galo kujja ku live you can request. This is a girls talk, so I'm not going to accept men. Omusajja tagenda kuteesa ku girl talk, to be honest. Those that want to come, comment here you want to come so that I can see your name. Kukebere wali eri. Tubaye tugamba bakazi bangi, kindly invite me. That's okay. Where are you? You are here.